So we start off today's video with this copper hair color transformation. This is by far one of my favorite hair color trends. I just think that it looks so beautiful and so many different shades and complexions. And then we move into this jaw length style bob. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some end of summer and into fall hairstyle ideas. So if you've been needing a new hairstyle and you're in need of some inspiration, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So the next trend on our list is going to involve the shaggy cut. This one features the undercolor trend. Loving the two-tone contrast with this cut. Such a chic, cool girl vibe. Next on our list, we have the mullet. So she started off with a shag and then decided to switch things up to a mullet variation. I love the fact that her bangs are pink. Very cool. Next up, we have the long bob trend. So we're seeing many different variations of bobs. We're seeing them long and we're also seeing them short this season. Let us know in the comments below, do you like to wear your bob long or short? Next up, we have this red hair color transformation that features a layered hairstyle haircut. Two very popular trends rolled into one. Oh, so pretty. I like the fact that the stylist gave her some face framing highlights as well. And then we have the shaggy pixie cuts. Lots of volume and beautiful curls mixed in with this cutting. Another great way to wear your hair this season. So let us know in the comments below, will you be trying out any of these hair trends yourself? Hopefully you were able to find some major hair inspiration in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.